Welcome to Benahavas Country Club. Here you got the views in the lovely Benahavas to blow your head off. Here we got a lovely villa, 5 bedrooms with potential only your imagination sets the boundaries for. 50-meter walk, you're down to the spa, you're down in the gym, you're of course in a fully gated community. Welcome to Benahavas Country Club. Hey everyone, I hope you loved the house as much as I do. This has been Mads from Engel Völkers. Remember to subscribe, give us a little like, give us a comment what you think, and we'll see you next time.